Hey guys, welcome back to the Torque Racing Production channel and another episode of Project Reaper. So I'm rolling, and of course this is our engine that we're taking apart and regapping the rings. I finally got all the rings gapped, and I was about to put them back in the other night. Searched all over my garage and realized that I did not have a very important integral part that you need to put pistons back in. I think that I lost mine in that big flood that we had a couple years back, so I went and bought me another one. So now we are ready to throw the pistons back in this thing and get this engine back in Reaper. Okay, and of course, as you can see here, whenever you're disassembling an engine, you definitely want to try to keep everything neat and organized. You want to make sure that your rod caps and bearings are all staying with the rods that they came out of. And you want to make sure that each piston goes back in the same sleeve that it came out of, just to help ensure that everything has the same wear patterns and everything's fitting back as it should. Also, whenever you're putting things back, make sure that you use plenty of assembly lube and of course Loctite on the parts that need it. Now, something you really need to pay attention to is when you're putting your rods back in, if you notice, this has a curve to it right here. This curved edge will go towards the outside, towards your crank, because you're going to have another rod over here, so this flat edge will go against the flat edge of the other rod. Ta-da! Now, I'm not going to fully tighten this up yet until I get the other one in, because I want to make sure that this is fully seated over enough that I can get the other rod and stuff in. Once both are on this rod journal here, then I will go ahead and torque them to spec. All right, so anyways, now, like I was saying, now that I have the wiring harness and everything out of the way, it is time to get this off the engine stand. That way I can mate up the clutch and flywheel and everything on it, and then get the new transmission mated up to it as well. And then we're gonna slide it all back in the car. Woo! It's been a rough day. I got a lot done today.